Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create a circular type presentation or animation in Canva. Let's start our video. Select the resolution and here is my request to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Your support is worth to me. Here we go. We have an image. If you don't have an image, you can select from the library of Canva. I have already chosen an image. Here I will select the image. I have selected this image, and for this kind of animation, here is a pro tip. You have to select those image which have something circular or something like rounded shapes. That's why I select this one. And now again go to elements and you have to select this kind of the frame, hollow circle type frame. Expand and put it in the middle of the image like here. Now duplicate this image and drag it to the this one and put it like here, exactly centralized. Now the second thing is you have to duplicate the page and go to the first page. In the first page, you expand this image like this, and in the similar way, you have to expand this image according to its setting. Now rotate this image a little bit like this. Now apply the transition, match and move, increase the duration, and check out the results. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then as I request you, subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Hafiz till my next video.